G'day, this is the Wera Kraftform Kompakt 900 impact screwdriver. So this is a handheld impact wrench, basically. It is a bit big and bulky, so compared to a normal Wera handle, it is quite a bit bigger, but that's because it's got a whole bunch of stuff in there that does its magic. So this can act as a normal screwdriver because it's got a locked mode there, and then it's got the unlocked mode there. So we'll have a look at that. Let's just grab a bit. So it also does come with a whole bunch of Torx bits. So it's got hex bits there, slotted, and then we got posi drive and Phillips. So let's just grab the Phillips out, and up the front here it just has this friction ring all the way around that'll actually hold the bit in. So you just push that inside, and now we've got basically a normal screwdriver. And then we just flip this to the unlocked mode, and now if we push it, you should be able to see that front bit rotate a little bit. So the reason that's there is because we'll put this into a screw, and then you hammer it, and as you hit it with a hammer, it'll actually rotate this to get that screw out. So let's demonstrate that. Get a plank of wood and put a screw in it. There you go, so that's well hammered in there. And if you just try a normal screwdriver, I mean, I think this would be fine to get out. Yeah, you could get that out because this is just in wood, so it isn't in there all that much. But let's do a quick demo of this. So I think that's a Phillips one that fits really well. Let's put that inside, make sure this is unlocked. I'll grab a hammer. Here we go. All right, and then we put this onto it. Not sure if that's going to actually sharp. Let's try. See if this will work. So as I hit this screwdriver, you should be able to see that turn, twist outwards to actually loosen that up. I guess, so hopefully that came up pretty clear. So you'd use this for bigger, more stubborn screws that are stuck in place, so you don't twist it and snap a shaft or break something off, or even break the fastener. You would use this to use that impact motion and actually screw that out, as does a normal impact or battery powered impact wrench. There we go.